and send it to you?
Yeah, you can the test when I give, you can always make a study. In fact, that is better because it is easier for me also, rather than the scans and images and putting. Instead, if you make it a study on leeches and send me the link, it is works out much better. And I can also, you have to give me edit rights, you have to make me a member so that I can also add comments and I can also put things there. Okay, so that works out okay. Fine. So let us get started. Okay. So this is the wonderful world of endgame studies, and we will start by looking at the first study. Okay, Vedant has rejoined. Okay. So what is this? See, studies means there is a position, and typically it is like either the stronger side has to find a way to win, okay, and or the weaker side has to find a way to draw. Okay, that is what is the purpose. And it is not like moves are not specified in how many moves, etc. But generally it is like within 5 to 10 moves. It doesn't take more than that generally. Okay, or the idea is clear, then it is just a repetition. Okay, and because these are synthetic positions, let me start the recording. Or yeah, I've started the recording. So because these are synthetic positions, general convention is that the stronger side is always made as white, the weaker side is always made as black, so that it is either white to play and win or it is black to play and draw. That is the way it is there. Okay, I hope you remember all this from our level 2 class. Fine. So let us there. So look at this position. Okay, don't look at the solution or whatever. And see, this position is there. White pawn is on h6. Okay, white has got a bishop, black also has got a bishop, and black also has got a pawn.
So I think I got it.
But black is trying to prevent the pawn from queening. If the pawn queens safely, yeah, just hold on. White to move. If the pawn queens safely, then obviously it is black who is lost. White has won it, right? How does white manage to get it?
So I think I've got it.
Okay, so just but everyone, please spend 2 minutes on this one thinking, and then I will open up. Okay, so please think, everybody, what will be your strategy?
Sir,
Yeah,
I got
I got the strategy.
okay, so let us see what is the strategy. Tell, what is the move? What would you move as the first?
Like in the first, if it's white to move, I would move my pawn to 7.
Oh,
H7.
okay. If you move the pawn to h7, okay, then what will happen is black will push his pawn to e4.
Then I would move bishop a7.
Bishop where?
Bishop a7.
a7, fine. Then bishop to e5.
Oh.
I see.
Yeah.
So can I?
Yeah. So
Have another one.
someone else is there. Suhas is saying, let me see. Suhas is saying bishop to a7. Okay. Bishop to a7. So, which is an interesting move because you are trying to tempt my bishop. If I kill your bishop, then obviously then the pawn will go through. So I don't want to, but I just want to show you, if black takes this bishop, then it's a win because now it is this, and now you cannot prevent it because you will take 2 moves to come and cover the h8 square, and you have only 1 move. No matter what you do after that, the pawn will queen, right? So it is like tempting, right?
Sir, in this move, can't black come to c3?
But why c3? I think black goes to a1. So Suhas or everybody else. Suhas, I think it's a good first move, but
Ma'am, sorry, sir, but then next you can move your king to b2.
king to b1, not b2.
Yeah, sorry,
Right?
b1.
Yeah. So then bishop goes to c3 again.
Okay.
And if you go to here, then bishop goes to a1 again.
So can I try from the starting position? So
Yep.
I haven't got it. I just wanted to. Can I try after Avnish?
Yeah. First, let us get one. Avnish, you go first. Yeah.
No, sir. So I had got the same thing. I'm just looking at the position.
Okay. So who is that? I think I have to just give. Why don't you guys type the move? Okay. First move. See, I'll tell you the clue. First move is right actually. What Suhas said. First move is right. So don't try to this one. So bishop a7 is correct because you have to divert the bishop. There is no other way. After that, now you think.
Are we black or are we white?
White is trying to win. I am playing from
Ah.
black side, trying to defend. King b1, correct. I think king attempt is correct. So king b1, and then black will go to c3. Suhas, you yourself, how do you want to follow up?
So after that, I want to bring my king over to c2 so that I will be able to, and eventually I want to bring my king all the way to d3 and block my opponent's bishop with my own while trying to maintain defense of my pawn.
So king to c2, right? Correct?
Yeah.
King to c2, bishop goes back to a1.
And now I want to play king d3.
King d3, fine. King d3, then okay, king d3, fine. So now what I should be doing is I should be giving you a check now.
Then I can just take the pawn.
You take the pawn, but now bishop lands on here.
Yeah, now I was thinking bishop d4, but then I think the king can take the pawn. That's a problem.
No, sir. Bishop d4. Then when the bishop takes it, you can.
Won't take.
Actually, you know what? See, wait. I know
Sir?
the thing. Wait. I think so. Suhas, if you take king d3 and I go d4, sorry, e4, you take the pawn. Now I attack your pawn like this.
Yeah, and there's no way to defend both my pawn and take control of the diagonal.
Because if I waste any move, now your bishop will come.
E3.
E3.
What e3?
Bishop e3.
Bishop E3.
Bishop e3. Okay, you give a check, but my king comes here. See, it's a rook pawn.
Okay.
So if my king and I have my bishop also, so I will now guard the bishop d4. Bishop d4, I will simply take it. You take it, I take the pawn. It's a draw.
Draw.
So you don't even need to take the bishop. You could just directly take the pawn.
I can take the pawn also, and I can give you the bishop also, right? Anybody else wants to try?
So can you go to the starting position?
I can go to the starting position. Is that Aditya?
Sir, I want. Yes, sir.
Okay, I will. Aditya, yes. What is your other this?
H7, sir.
H7. Then
One.
I will simply play d4.
Sir, then
No, H7 does not work.
F4.
Huh?
Bishop F4.
Bishop f4. But how does that now matter? It is. In fact, I will push my pawn.
Capture the pawn.
In fact, I don't even need to push the pawn. I can simply come up with the king.
Oh, yes.
Right? I can go and attack your this one pawn.
Can I try?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, so first, bishop a7.
Bishop a7 correct first.
And then
Bishop a3. Sorry, bishop a1. Then
I would do king b1.
king b1 is correct. Bishop c3 is correct.
Good evening,
Yeah,
sir.
then king c2.
Good evening, Anirudh. King c2 is correct, and bishop a1. This is also correct.
Next, I would push the pawn.
Push the pawn to h7.
Yes.
Then what do? I just push my pawn.
Then bishop d4.
I will kill it now. Bishop d4. This I should win, I think. Or maybe it's a draw.
I got it.
See now black is going to control it, and
Wait, then bishop
Yeah.
d4. Wait,
When
bishop.
no, bishop
B1.
d4. Bishop takes d4. Then
No, wait, before the position, before this.
okay.
And yeah, bishop d4 right here.
B.
Here bishop to d4. Huh? Who is to play
Yeah.
here? White has already played. Black to play. Black.
Oh wait, no, before this.
Before
Yeah,
actually.
right here,
Ah.
bishop d4.
Then black will take it. Huh?
And then
If
you
he
go
pushes
to
pawn, he will
king
push the black
d3.
pawn.
King goes
Go
to
to king
D3,
D.
bishop goes to A1.
So now, if you do king e4,
King E4 if you do it, right?
mm.
Yeah, that's a good move. So I think King E4 is a good move. So bishop should not do this. So what should white do? What should white do?
so you should take it to
King to this one.
No, but king e4 is fine, right? Because if the bishop goes to a1,
Yeah,
King,
king
no,
E4.
but it is that no, King E4 is very fine. That's why I'm saying black should play better.
oh, right.
See here, bishop to D4 is a beautiful move. I will take it. Okay, then what do you do? Then king to
You go
D3.
to king D3.
Actually, you have hit the solution. This is the solution. But you should know
And
what
then
to do next.
And then black goes to king G5.
King G, because black has to go king G5.
Then you fork the no, that doesn't work. Then you push the pawn.
Then you push the pawn.
Yeah, and if the pawn goes down, you take the bishop.
And if you come here, then you
you take the bishop.
Right?
Yeah.
And if you don't come here, what else can you do? You cannot, because next move is thing. So you have to clear the thing, right? So beautiful. So this is the solution, but slightly different way.
Sir.
Just okay. I will just try to
So black can do a draw, which Vihan said. Can you go to that position?
So what's the name of the study?
I will send it the name of the study at the end of the class. Okay, but
yes, sir. D3 afterwards.
King D3 is the key move here. King D3 is the key move. After this, black does not have any defense easily.
Yes, sir, but black can stop the checkmate, I think.
No, black cannot stop.
Black don't need to push the pawn.
Okay, what will you play as black?
Can you?
What will you play as black?
What do you play?
White has played king to D3. Black to play now. See, no matter what black plays, white's pawn queens now.
so what black plays?
Yeah, because if bishop to A1,
if bishop to A1, then simply king to E4, blocking this pawn.
You block the pawn.
And now the diagonal is blocked, and hence the pawn is going to queen. And if bishop does not go to A1, if bishop goes to anywhere else, okay, then also you come here, and now you are not in time to.
No, sir, you can just push this.
No, actually, here you can.
Wait.
Here you can.
But can you do, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, when you come the bishop to and the yes, sir, D3, bishop A1.
Bishop A1, then king E4. That's it.
Then G5.
King G5 does not help. H7.
Oh yes, sir. It was on D3. I thought the pawn will give check when it queens.
No.
When it queens, that pawn will give check, and black can capture the bishop.
No. It is not. So okay. So I think you saw it. So this study is called as the bomb. Why? Because this place it is like mining the square. Okay. So it is like you have put a trap for the. You are happily sacrificing the bishop, but after you sacrifice the bishop here, right? White is sacrificing the bishop, but once you take it, then white has got a beautiful idea because of which the pawn always wins. Okay, so this study is called as the bomb. Okay, it's called as the bomb in popular thing. Okay, if somebody is talking, I think it is getting some noise is coming. Somebody, I don't know who is that, but I will have to mute everybody otherwise.
Prachi.
Sorry, who?
The person named Prachi Bapat.
Rajiv? No, who is that?
Prachi.
It's Arav who's
Okay.
making the noise.
Okay, Arav, maybe you can go on mute. Okay, so fine. So all right. So this is a very beautiful study. Now the next study, let us look at it. See, this was wonderful, right? So next study again is this one. So it is beautiful idea. It is known as the ballet. Okay, and it looks like because there is a ballet dance like movements. So
Who's gonna win or something?
white to play and win. White pawn is on c7, black pawn is on h2. So black is also trying to queen his pawn, and white is also trying to queen his pawn, but white to play and win. White to play and win. King to d8. Somebody is saying king to d8. So, or rook to h6 check. Vihan is saying, Aniruddha is saying king to d8. See, king to d8. Then black does not come there. Sorry. Black does not come there. Because then otherwise you will queen the pawn and then give it with the check. So that you cannot do. So what do you need to do? I will give you a check.
So after the pawn is queen, then the rook can take it.
No,
Oh,
but it is a discovered check, then you cannot take it, right?
Yes, I didn't see.
So this is the thing.
Rook blocks the check.
Yeah, I think king to d8 does not work. Somebody is saying king to b8. King to b8. Yeah, king to b8 is better. Then I will give rook to b2 check.
So king a8.
King a8, correct. And rook will go to c2 again to guard the king.
So now
Now we can just take the pawn on h2.
Which one? The
White
Let's
can take
go.
last pawn on
but
h2.
if white takes
Rook
it,
h6
now
check.
black will take this.
then it's a draw.
Right.
No, wait. No, you can check on a2.
You can check on a2, but it is not a mate.
Oh yeah. Then move to b2.
Can you take it?
It's a draw, right? It's a draw. Even if you give a check like this, yeah, it's a draw. You cannot win the rook.
Yeah. Or else it's gonna be.
So
Wait. So then, can you try?
rook to
Okay,
h6. Sorry, rook will go to c2. Rook to h6 is correct. Now, see, this is covered and this is covered. So black king has to come up, somewhere up. He does not want to come up here. Why black king does not want to come to b5? Because it will shield the white king.
Pawn check.
No. White king will come here, now protecting the queening square, and it is shielded from checks. So now black cannot do anything now. Black cannot give any check. And next move, white is going to queen. Black will have to sacrifice the rook for the queen. White
There's
king-
also another check. Rook to b6 check.
No, not even that is not even required. So right now, because no, you have to worry about this pawn also. Huh? So white rook has to maintain. So this will very easily win for white. So that is why black does not want to give this shield for black white king. So king comes to a5. Okay. Now the ballet dance starts. Ballet dance has already started. So now
King
you just-
b7.
king b7, and now forcing rook to go to b2 check. King will go to
King
a7 now, not a8. Now it is a7, and rook will come to c2. And now ballet dance starts again. Rook will come to a5, h5. Again, this is thing, and these squares are controlled. Black king again does not want to come to b4. Why? Because then
The
white king will
shield.
get b6 shielding.
Yeah, the shield.
So black king has to go to a4, and now white king goes to b6. Okay, because with b6 now What is he threatening? He is threatening to take this pawn. Now, if rook takes it, then you are queening.
Yeah.
Right? So that is the threat. So with this again, black rook has to give a check again. Now king goes to a6. Rook comes to
Wait, why can't you sacrifice the rook? Like rook takes h2 and
when?
oh, wait, move after. Yeah, right here.
Here.
No. No,
Here?
wait, can you move forward? Yeah. No, wait, move forward.
Now
Yeah,
it is
forward.
black to play.
Forward. Yeah, right here.
Right here it is black to play.
Oh, wait, move forward. Yeah, right here. Why
If
can't
you
you
take the
do
pawn,
take-
black will take this pawn.
Oh, yeah.
And you are not having any checkmate here like this. Because black king has got a space.
Mm.
So can you take it to the, oh wait.
So here rook c2, the ballet dance continues. Rook comes to h4. Okay. So king to a3. Okay.
Yeah, then down a square.
Now king comes again to b6. Now rook has no option other than giving a check to b2. Now king does not come to a6. Now it comes to a5.
Yeah.
Rook goes back to c2. Now,
It's just a repetition.
now it is not repetition. Now rook to a3 check. Sorry, h3 check. Now king has to go to where?
A2.
a2. And now comes the final part. Now the rook is pinned. Now the black rook cannot take white's pawn. Black rook has to take white rook, and then now you queen it. And now after this, it's a long win. It's a win, but the queen wins against the rook. If the black king and rook are not together, right? They're not together. Then queen can win it. It takes some time, but you win it. Okay. There are some very vague cases in which the rook can defend against the queen. But the king and the rook have to be very close to each other and very cooperating. Then only it works. Otherwise, finally, I mean, we have not seen this end game, but you can just see this queen versus rook. There is a way of giving checks. Finally, I mean, it is not too difficult, but finally, white will crack this one. I mean, we'll be able to give a not double check, fork, like check as well as attacking the rook, and he will take the rook finally. Okay, that is what will happen. So. In this case, it will happen very easily because the king is not in the center of the board, it is at the edge of the board, and these squares are already gone for him, right? So even if queen does something like this here, checks, then it very easily he will be able to corner the what do you call? Corner the
So
board.
if you can you make a move for black? Like,
not now. I mean, this is where the study ends because queen versus rook, this is a one end game, but all the study is there till white is able to queen. So for that, see, white is called as the ballet dance is that there is this rhythmic movement. If you see right from the earlier, king goes here, then here, black king, then you give a check. I mean, then it comes up, then black gives a check, you go here, then black comes here, then you give a check, you push the black king out by one. And then again repeat the whole thing. So it is like 5-6 moves you cycle.
Wait, why wouldn't it be a threefold repetition?
No, it's not. Never a threefold repetition because the position is always different. The kings are in different squares. See,
They're always going down.
Yeah, the kings are first. See, black king is starting on a6 and then finally coming to a2. White king is starting from c8 and coming all the way to a5. Right. So it is not a threefold repetition. Right. Okay, fine. We will go to the next one, which is an extremely interesting position, which is the fundamental position of the rook endgames, most fundamental position, and everybody should know this absolutely by heart. Means not by heart as in rote learning, but by understanding. Everybody should know this. White to play and win. This is called as the Lucena position, and it is called as the Lucena bridge building. Some of you may be knowing how to build the bridge. But The idea is very, very thick. White to play. See, even black has to play very carefully. Otherwise, white will win very easily. For example, maybe I will just demonstrate it.
So what is wrong with rook c8, sir? Why is it not in the main line?
Yeah, rook c8, king to d7.
I mean d7.
I have a
Then the
different
king
move.
can't move anyway.
So I have a different move.
So are
Oh,
we
the
trying
pawn
to
cannot
queen
So
b?
here it is one by one. See, I think it is there. I want to give chance to somebody who has not given the thing. So let me see. Please raise your hands and I'm going to give. Who wants to go? Bhavin, you want to go?
Sir, go for it.
Or who wants to go? Yeah, Bhavin, if you want to go, just check first of all. So only one player at a time. Okay, one player at a time. So and we will just do with 3 people and then we will this one. So who wants to go first?
Can I do, sir?
Who is that?
I am Aditya.
Aditya. Okay, Aditya. Because I gave you a chance, maybe I will try to give some chance to somebody who has not yet in the last study has not. So who is that? Bhavin, you want to go or anybody else wants to go? 4 participants raise the hand. Let me see.
Uncle, I will like to go.
Okay, Amudini. Yeah?
Yes,
Fine.
uncle.
Fine. I will go to Amudini, then I will go to maybe Vedant, then maybe I will go to thing. Okay, Amudini, go ahead. First white to play.
Uncle, rook to 1D. Like, yeah, check.
Rook to D1 check. Okay, rook to D1 check. King to E7. King cannot come to
KC7.
Rook to
The king, uncle. KC.
king to C7. Then rook to C2.
Uncle, the king goes to B6.
Rook to B2 check.
Uncle, back to C7.
Then rook to C2 check. See, you cannot come here anywhere because the king is in opposition. This you cannot do. So only thing you can do is go to rook to B8. If you go back to rook to B8, then I will also go to rook to A2.
No, uncle. When the king was in front of the pawn,
B6.
B6. When the king was in B6. Yeah.
B6, rook to B2. Then
The king goes to A7. A7.
king goes to A7, rook to A2 check.
So
Yeah. So fine. I think what we will do is
Uncle, actually,
yeah, it is
So?
not so yeah.
excuse me, sir. I am actually doing the study. Why is it the first still
Sir, can I try?
MG6 bird Morphy London 1858? After that, it's like, what do you call? It's like a puzzle.
Yeah, it is a puzzle,
Sir,
but
can I try?
yeah, it's a puzzle. So I think who is going next? I think maybe Vedant. You had raised the hand.
Sir, can I go?
So I finished this Lucina Bridge and I also finished the Indian Night.
No, but what do you mean finished? You don't know how the solution is there, right? So what do you mean finished?
Actually, if I do a wrong move and it puts the move back before the move that
Yeah, but see, the whole point is let us try to understand. Okay, let us try to understand. So how is the thing? So who wants to go next? Who has a strategy? First
I
up,
do.
who has a
Sir, can I
strategy?
go?
Who is
I
that?
had an idea.
Who is that? Who is saying that I will go? Huh?
Sir, me, Bhavin.
Okay, Bhavin, you go. Okay.
Sir, rook to C8.
Rook to C8, king to D7.
Rook to C7.
Then king to D8. So now, see, you need to have something else. Otherwise, this king will keep shuttling between d7 and d8.
So can you go to the initial position?
Can I go next?
Yeah, yeah. Who is going next now?
Vedant.
Vedant. Yes, Vedant, you go next.
D1 check.
Rook to d1 check, king to e7.
C7. I'm sorry, not C7. King C7. Yeah,
King c7, rook to c2 check.
And in front of the pawn.
Yeah, you're doing same thing what Lakshmi had done.
Yeah, but this time can we go to like C6 instead?
c6, rook to c2 check.
D5.
b5, rook to b2 check.
No, D5.
d5. d5, huh?
So the rook can't check.
Yeah, then rook to b2.
King to C6.
King to c6, rook to c2.
Oh, okay.
See, you understand? See, I
And
think
can you put like a rook to B1 after C2 check? Can you after C2
you
check?
can't,
Can you
from
move?
c2 you can't go to b1, right? See,
Yeah.
See where first you are saying d1 here. Yeah, I mean, where rook to b1, you are not getting a chance. I'm giving a check only all the time, right?
Yeah.
You're not getting a chance to go to rook to b1. So what we will do is, let us I'm going to stop the recording. We have to join back. Okay. So in 2 minutes, we have to join back. So I'm going to stop.